Beam layout. Draw beams along axes. This command is used for the automatic drawing of beams along multiple axes. Draw beams along axes requires that axes must exist, and the axis layer must be set to the axis layer. Click the Draw Beams Along Axes function. Enter the width of the beamline to be drawn. Given that the eccentricity values of individual beamlines may differ, the eccentricity option in the double line drawing dialog has been disabled. Beam types are classified as main beams and secondary beams. Beamlines can be drawn as either solid lines or dashed lines. After selecting the beam type and the desired line type, specify the first point and the second point for generating beamlines on the grid. At beamline intersections, the program will perform break processing according to predefined priority rules. Beam layout along axes completed. Draw beam. This command is used to draw straight beam lines either continuously or individually. Click the Draw Beam function. Enter the width of the beam line to be drawn and its eccentricity value. Select the beam type and the line style. Beamline drawing methods are divided into continuous drawing and single segment drawing. Once parameters are set, click to pick the beam's start point and the next point. Beam drawing completed. Copy beam. This command is used to copy straight beams. Beamlines must be placed on either the beam or beam SE layer. Click the Copy Beam function. Select the beamline to be copied. Next, click the location where you want the copy placed. The program will use the distance between the clicked point and the selected beamline as the default copy spacing. You can either keep clicking to place copies one after another, or type a number to make that many equally spaced copies in the same direction. Beamline copying completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.